Lamb Rogan Josh is a popular Indian dish that is known for its rich and spicy flavor. Here is a recipe to make Lamb Rogan Josh at home. Ingredients needed to prepare Lamb Rogan Josh: 1 kilogram lamb, cut into cubes. 2 onions, finely chopped. 1/2 cup yogurt. 1/2 cup vegetable oil. 1 tablespoon ginger paste. 1 tablespoon garlic paste. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon coriander seeds. 1 teaspoon fennel seeds. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon garam masala. Salt to taste. How to prepare homemade Lamb Rogan Josh. 1. In a blender, blend together ginger paste, garlic paste, yogurt, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, fennel seeds, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and garam masala to make a smooth paste. 2. In a large pot, heat vegetable oil over medium heat. Add onions and saute until golden brown. 3. Add the lamb cubes and cook until brown on all sides. 4. Add the spice paste and salt to the pot and stir well. 5. Add enough water to cover the lamb and bring to a boil. 6. Reduce heat to low and simmer for 1 to 2 hours, or until the lamb is tender. 7. Serve hot with steamed rice or naan bread. Enjoy your homemade Lamb Rogan Josh.